So, what are waves? A wave is a single cycle that repeats a bunch of times in order to create a synthesized sound. The speed at which it repeats is called a frequency. The frequency is what defines your note. So let's take the third audible octave of G, or G2 for short. It's 98 Hz, but let's say 100 just to make things easy. That way we can say that a single cycle at G2 is 100 Hz, or a tenth of a second. Now if we go down an octave, we divide by 2. So G1 would be 50, G0 would be 25. If we go up an octave, we multiply by 2. So G3 would be 100 times 2, which is 200 Hz. G4 would be 400, and so on. Now let's take a look at some basic wave shapes. This is a sine wave. Every sound on Earth is made up of combinations of this wave, but I'll explain all that later. For now, just know that it looks and sounds like this. Now this is a triangle wave. It's similar to a sine, but less clean. It looks and sounds like this. This is a sawtooth wave. It's very dirty and full sounding. It looks and sounds like this. Finally, this is a square wave. It's very synthetic sounding. It looks and sounds like this. These waves are the most important tools in your arsenal. If you learn how to use these tools, you will be an unstoppable sound designer. And if you stick around and follow or subscribe, I'll show you everything you need to know on how to utilize these waves. Feel free to ask questions in the comments and make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.